guys? Miguel here from YugaTech, and today's video we're checking out the Teriyaki Samurai Burger, as you can see right here. So my daily driver is actually the cheeseburger, and you know, it's hard to let go of this thing. Specs for my daily driver is a normal bun, the regular bun with some cheese, some onions minced in with the ketchup there, and like one slice of that terrible little pickle. I'm looking to scale up a bit, you know? I don't want to have to deal with the pickle anymore. So let's just get right into this Teriyaki Samurai Burger. It's also worth mentioning that you can get your awesome Sakura accessories, like the Sakura float over here, which I will just... It's pretty good! Tastes like diabetes in a cup though. We also get our nori fries in the package. So we open it up. And you sprinkle it all down like it's Christmas. Oh, I think the nori powder has rushed into my brain. So we can... And voila! I mean, it wasn't the most perfectly executed powder spread, but... And as you can see, it's evenly spread out inside the package. This is a great bag. Props to you, McDonald's. This is not a video sponsored by McDonald's. Without further ado, let's get into the Teriyaki Samurai Burger. We got some geometrical, you know, design in its box, and here we have that juicy teriyaki burger. You get the same treatment as the ebi burger with the black and white sesame seed bun, but then in this case, I don't know, it could be a problem in packaging and shipping, but the teriyaki sauce is just slathered all over like a sloppy hot mess on this thing. You got your black and white sesame seed bun, you got a all beef patty, some lettuce over there, and a lot of mayonnaise. So, got some early teriyaki sauce taste impressions. It tastes artificial, but it's just something about artificial McDonald's goods, man. There's just something about McD's, man. They just make you keep coming back. So, here we go. First impressions, a lot of sauce. Second impression, that's a damn good patty, man! Look at that! Look at that patty! I don't know if it's the sauce, I don't know if it's the combo with the mayonnaise and the bun and the lettuce, but that's a pretty tasty burger. And, well, will it replace my #1 cheeseburger? Well, compared to the cheeseburger, the teriyaki burger is it's not as dry as a cheeseburger, but then, I don't know, I guess it depends on how I feel. And this thing costs 133 pesos a la carte by itself without the accessories. 133 pesos on a single burger with nothing. Is it worth it? Is it? I mean, no, I don't think I'd switch over to the teriyaki burger from the cheeseburger, but if I was feeling lucky today, ooh, call back to the old school Google, I'd get the teriyaki burger. So what do you guys think of the McDonald's Teriyaki Samurai Burger? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest food news and gastronomic reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you and you in the next one. Bye-bye!